party people! So, time check. It is 12:44 a.m. in the morning right now. And I'm low-key like getting hungry. And recently, tinutulog ko na lang pag gantong oras nagugutom ako. Pero right now, I feel like going out. At dahil past 12 na, I'm curious to try 24-hour restaurants. Punong-puno ng sarap. Tignan natin kung totoo. I can feel my tongue.
Tocino is to believe.
Oo nga, no?
Hindi pala ako inaantok. Gutom lang daw ako. Ginagaslight ako niyan.
Actually, ganito mga 12 a.m., 1 a.m., madami pang gising dito sa bahay. Especially sila Kuya, Ate Seiya, and everyone here. And nag-order kami ng pagkain minsan, nagluluto and stuff like that. Pero, yeah, minsan nga, tinutulog na lang namin para mas masaya. Pero ngayon, parang kailangan ko ng kasama at gusto ko lumabas para kumain. At andito ngayon si Ate Seiya. Yan. Andito ngayon si Ate Seiya. Andito ngayon si Ate Seiya. Andito ngayon si Ate Seiya. Okay, so gising ka pa. Ba't di ka pa natutulog?
Naantok na ako. Tulog na ako in a while.
Hindi ka nagugutom?
Nope.
Weh.
Sobrang busog ako.
Weh.
Na ako. Ang sarap na ulam namin kanina. Karkar.
I'm hungry.
Gagawin ko.
Do you wanna go out?
No.
Para kumain?
I'm tired and I'm early pa bukas.
Bahala ka dyan. Libre ko pa naman.
Saan susi? Libre. Libre? Ay, doon tayo sa libre.
Tara na, let's go. So, we've searched for some restaurants that are open 24 hours, and some of them we tried, but most of them di pa. So, we're gonna go give them a try. And right now, first stop is
Sinangag Express.
yes, driver for today! Take this off because I don't wanna get suspended.
Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sinangag.
By the way, I did not mention, Kuya's not here pala. He's in America, so now me and Ate Seiya are vlogging. So siya ngayon si Ranskite. Pakita mo si Ranskite.
Okay guys, so now we're here in Sinangag Express, and for today we're gonna eat here because it's 24 hours.
Weird. So yes, we are parked here in front of Sinangag Express, and it's here located at Maginhawa, and they're basically known for their, you know, breakfast meals and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So
that's why it's
let's
Sinangag
go. It's
Express.
period. Perfect. Let's go! Ano po ba ang bestseller nyo?
Hi ma'am, bestseller po namin is Tapal. Yan po Bacos Bagnet and Tocino.
Ano po ang mga recommend nyo sa amin? Yung parang, yung light lang since madami pa kaming kakainin.
Bali, pwede po yun siya sa Tapsilog po. Shredded po
Tapsilog.
siya, not beef.
Shredded. You wanna share there? Okay. Can I get one tapsilog? As you can see, the vibes are very vibing. It's actually really bright. On the street where this is, parang ito yung pinaka-boosh na ilaw, kaya makikita mo talaga. Look at this. Punong-puno ng sarap. Oh, tignan natin kung totoo. Have you ever eaten here before?
Yes, pero long time ago na.
Okay, well, I haven't, so we're gonna try. And apparently, this has been running since 2004. Literally 2 years before I was born. So, first time ko matatry. Ate, mahilig ka ba sa fried rice or like mga silog?
Personally, di ako mahilig sa fried rice.
Actually, I agree. Because I'm not a fan of garlic. Usually yung linalagay sa fried rice, garlic. Unless walang garlic, okay lang. Parang mga ano tayo sa TikTok, mga food reviewer. So, ano pong in-order niyo, ma'am?
Ang in-order ko ay, itong tapsilog nila na shredded.
At ito naman ang tapat baboy ni Neil.
Tapat baboy ni Neil.
Cheers. Very nice. If this is 24 hours, why haven't we been here before? It's super near.
Hindi tayo maabot ditong part.
We need to explore more. I approve for midnight cravings, and now that I know this place exists, and I don't know why I never knew it existed in the first place, we will go here pag nagutom ulit kami ngayon. Isasama ko na sila Kuya and other friends when there's a chance.
Ako, pwede siya. Pero feeling ko, hindi kasi ako tapa person. Feeling ko, mas mabebetar ko yung pork chop.
Pork chop, actually, masarap.
Kasi nung bata ako, mahilig kami mag-midnight snack ng tapsi. Kasi nasa styro pa. Ganon.
Next time, pork chop. Anyway, this was amazing. Next, let's go to the next. I'm not yet full. Let's go. Next location. We are here at
Fariñas Ilocos Empanada.
But like I mentioned a while ago, this wasn't actually part of our list today. Since it was near the first place, we decided to stop by as well and show you guys. And let's go. Time check, by the way, it is 2:30 a.m. and we're still rocking and eating. Hello po, kami po ulit.
Mag-take out tayo ng bagnet gusto mo isa. Yung isang frozen bag.
Meron din sila ditong tinitinda na frozen packed food. They sell authentic Ilocos frozen products. So they have bacon bagnet. Maninipis siya na bagnet, which is very nice. Okay, just to give you guys like a little, you know, background on Fariñas Empanada. They're known for its vibrant, crispy rice flavor crust and savory filling. Ilocos in general, that's what they're known for. And their empanadas, amazing empanadas. Okay, the crab has arrived. Joke lang siya, crab.
Guys,
So,
yung crab.
ito po ang itsura ng Ilocos empanada. So, it's very... No, empanada. It's very orange, as you can see. And I don't know what's it with this.
It's giving
But-
kwek-kwek vibes.
Yeah, it's giving kwek-kwek, but like I don't know what it is, how they made it, but it's amazing and delicious. Guys, ASMR.
Ating kapatid.
First, I thought it was like potato or something, pero hindi. Papaya pala siya. Okay, here goes nothing. Sorry guys, di kami nagsasalita kasi ang sarap eh. Have we ever been to Ilocos? No. We should. We will. But like trust, we will. We are really planning to go there.
Comment down below kung saan maganda pumunta sa Ilocos.
Yeah. Literally,
Ano
please.
masarap na pagkain.
Comment down below where we can go when we're in Ilocos. And if you guys want to do a little like meetup. I'm telling you, we're going on tour. And devoured. We are done eating. That was amazing. So once again, approved for midnight cravings. Since this is 24 hours, we would love to go here again on another time. 5 a.m. Bukas pa to. Ilocos, we're coming for you soon. We need the real... Yes, bye. Next stop, hot pot. Exactly. So, ito po talaga yung goal namin ni Ate Say. Especially siya kasi favorite niya ang hot pot. May mga 24 hours na hot pot. I did not know that. It's just now that I discovered. And yeah, so we're gonna do hot pot right now. Nabubusog na kami. So, ito yung parang main course namin. Wow, main course! Let's go! Guys, di pa nga ako naka-record at siya yung nag-order na. So, ayan na. Oh. Ang master hot pot girl.
Asan yung ano?
Ay, nagre-review na siya. Actually, fun fact, di ako mahilig sa hot pot. I'll give it a go for tonight. So, they have a bunch of options as you can see and you can write them yourself. And usually, guys, yung mga hot pot, it's usually served in a buffet-style way. But here, you can order them yourself and you make them yourself. Vegetables. I love vegetables. Kumain ng buhay, pampahaba ng gulay.
So, ito yung pinakamatagal ko inaantay.
Ayan, ito talaga yun.
Actually, ilang days na ako nag-crave ng hot pot. Sayang nga, hindi nakapunta si Pat dito.
Nung inaya ko si ate nung una off camera, ayaw niya talaga. Pero nung snap ko mag-hot pot, ayan na siya.
So guys, hindi ako mukhang palibre ah. Libre? Ay, doon tayo sa libre. Skip lang na. Ano lang na.
One thing about Ate Seiya, if we're in a hot pot place or a samgyup place or a buffet or whatever, like something like this na magluluto, siya talaga yung tagaluto. Ayan, oh. Wala, no questions asked. Siya natatayo at maglalagay ng mga kuha naman yan dyan.
Para ako din ako nakakain. Yes. Joke lang, hindi ah. Yung nagluluto nga hulang kumakain.
What is that? Pork? Beef. Beef. I feel like I've eaten hot pot a handful of times. I feel like 4 times in my life or 5. Right? Kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-hot pot. Even shabu. Shabu.
Ang hot pot, Chinese. Ang shabu-shabu, Japanese.
No, your roots. Korea.
Ano tawag doon? Alam ko yun eh. Sukiyaki.
Sukiyaki. You may the sweet one. Oh, that's really good. Isn't that Japanese?
Japanese pala yun.
So ano yung parang sabaw-sabawan nila sa Korea? Ramen? Hot. but it's good. I can't feel my tongue. I still can't feel my tongue.
Usually guys, kapag kumakain ng hot pot, meron akong rice. Pero ngayon, di mo na ako mag-rice kasi late na.
Tsaka ang dami namin kinain. Is this like usually unlimited or like...
Unlimited.
It's unlimited? Really?
Yeah. Everything.
Really?
Even the drinks, yeah.
Really?
For me guys, hindi ko siya i-recommend as midnight snack. Siguro kapag yung hindi ka pa nag-dinner, kasi open naman siya 24 hours eh. Kasi problem minsan, di ba kunyari, nanood ka ng movie, late na natapos, hindi ka nakapag-dinner, hanap ka ng restaurant, halos close lahat.
Parang di ko ma-imagine may kumakain dito ng mga 6 a.m. ganun. Breakfast?
Mamaya may araw na siya.
Oo nga eh. Time check na, by the way. 3:43 a.m. Pero guys, last na to for tonight. I will continue this tomorrow. Maghahanap tayo ng kasama bukas. Susunduin na lang natin.
Baka mamaya ako pa rin pala.
Time check for 11 a.m. I'm very full actually. I think it's very obvious. Like the energy from the first part of the video and now we're like... And also may halong antok eh.
Guys, sobrang sarap talaga ng hot pot. Craving satisfied talaga ako.
Actually, first time ko dito sa place na to and I think it's really nice. Like the vibes are very hot pot vibes and once again, approved. Well, not really for midnight food trip but more on when you're really super hungry and craving for hot pot and like you wanna eat heavy, dito ka kasi unlimited, kaya perfect. And it is the next day, okay? So, di na namin kinaya kahapon. So, we're gonna continue it today. It is mag-1 a.m. na at tama. Siya na naman ang kasama natin. Di tayo nakahanap ng ibang kasama. At,
Sabi niya kasi kanina, please.
at perfect timing, andito si ate, di siya umalis. Kaya, let's go do this. As you can see, sa likod namin ay ang Dennis. The first time I've tried Dennis was in LA actually when I was like, I feel like I was like about 14, around that age. I actually really liked it because it had really big servings and it's giving American breakfast. Besides, it started in America, in California, and they're really known for their breakfast and lunch, dinner, late night meals. So they have a bunch of stuff like pancakes and stuff like that. Pero here sa Philippines, I think they added like a Filipino touch. So we're gonna try that out as well. And the reviews on here is 3.8 to 4. Yeah, so I think we should go ahead and order. I think I'm going to get their classic pancake.
Tocino is to believe.
Oo nga, no?
Patingin?
Tocino is to believe. And you?
I get the classic hit.
By the way, guys, Pat is here. I did not introduce her, but she's here. For a drink, I'm just gonna go with an orange juice. What's your drink?
Water.
Very much. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Tocino is to believe, but I don't believe in her.
Oh my gosh. Our order is here.
In the picture, it's small, but in here, it's big.
Yes, which is good. It's amazing.
Yung patty niya, juicy. Malaki yung order, tapos makikita nyo naman ang daming veggies. Okay guys, fun fact. Fun fact? Pag kumakain ako, hindi ko kaya kumain ng walang drinks. Kasi diba yung iba kumakain, ano? Hindi kasi yung iba, inaubos mo na nila yung pagkain nila bago uminom.
Pero kailangan ko rin ng tubig.
Ako, yung drinks ko naubos ko sabay, ganyan.
Ako din naman. I feel like the weird ones do what you're saying.
Ako kasi ako kumain, mabilis ako kumain. Hindi ako masyado nag-chuchu. Kaya ako nag-iinom. Sino dyan yung mga kumakain na hindi masyado nag-chuchu?
Oy guys, wag ganun. Kasi may hirapan i-digest yung food kapag hindi mo siya in-swallow ng maayos.
Swallow o chew?
Sorry, i-chew ng maayos. So it's better you chew it. Take your time kumain.
Why do I feel like they don't need to know this? Because they're supposed to be aware by that. Nung nag-Coachella kami, first time ni Ate Seiya sa America. First time din niyang kumain ng Dennis doon. What can you say is the difference from here and there?
Pag Pinoy ka, ang hanapin mo talaga, kanin.
Pero wala. Ang bagsak ka sa hash brown.
Curious lang ako, how about the taste? Is it the same?
Ako masasabi ko parang same lang.
And actually, JC and Neil ordered the crunchy pork belly, and apparently it's super crunchy. Look. Boogs. And it's so thin. It's so hot. So you can see my plate devoured. I'm telling you, big serving. So di niya naubos masyado siya. Hindi maubos masyado, pero yung milkshake ubos. I would go here again whenever I'm hungry at this time of day.
Pwede siya pang midnight snack, guys. Perfect rin siya pag after party.
Now, actually, medyo busog na kami, pero kaya pa ng isa pang push. And this time, we will end with like a sweet treat. So now we're here at Lola Nena. We are here at Lola Nena's, and let's go. Can I get 1 triple cheese donuts? Yung box of 8 po. 10 pieces. Sige, isang small. Peachy! Okay na yan? Okay na yan? Okay na po yan. Okay guys, so while waiting for our order, let us give you a little background on Lola Nena's. So Lola Nena's is known for its Filipino-inspired bakery and cafe, particularly for its old-fashioned triple cheese donuts and their Peachy, which we just ordered right now. Yeah, actually dati pa tong Lola Nena's, no?
Nag-order na kami matagal na.
And actually, si Natalia favorite niya rin dito. And yeah, a lot of people love Lola Nena's. So we're gonna show you guys.
Ito din yung midnight snack game nyo.
Tama. And this is like a sweet treat, you know. Para, ito na yung dessert namin. Let's go. We're gonna eat at the car because I don't have a dine-in at the moment. Hold. Yes! DIY table. So we're here at the back of our pickup truck. Let's eat. So here we have, open the Peachy.
Special Peachy.
So much cheese.
Guys, support local farmers. Local farmers yung nag-harvest.
And of course, the classic donuts.
Guys, medyo challenging tong vlog na to dahil ang lola ay inaantok na. Inaantok na ako! Tapos kakain pa ako, inaantok na ako. Hindi pala ako inaantok. Gutom lang daw ako. Ginagaslight ako niyan.
Okay, so time check, 3 a.m. Sure na to, last na tong push na to, kaya game. Dessert. Iunahin ko ang Peachy dahil Peachy.
Parang kakaiba yung cheese na ginamit sa kanya.
Texture niya parang parmesan.
Totoo! Ang galing mo. I'm going to search, guys. Sorry, I'm very curious right now. Who is Lola Nena? She is the great-grandmother of co-owner Steffi Santana. So, it's a real person. Alam mo, usually, ito. Usually, whenever we buy Lola Nena's, we eat it sometimes like this, but like most of the time when we order it sa house, inaano pa namin, ba tawag doon? Parang tina-toast pa namin, reheat para maging mas crunchy and mas parang caramelized yung sugar and melted yung cheese sa loob.
Minsan, pinapress pa namin siya sa waffle maker.
Nalas ako, kasi first time ko tumatry. Matagal ko na siya naririnig, yung Lola Nena's. Pero first time ko na-try, and sobrang sarap pala niya. Hindi siya,
Tignan mo yung pusa nakikinig.
too sweet. Hindi siya too sweet kahit too much sugar yung outside. Kasi if you're gonna look at it, syempre isipin mo, sobrang matamis, but hindi siya sobrang sweet.
Pero
so, sakto lang.
Parang siyang yung donut sa no? Yung donut sa bakery talaga. Busog-busog ko na, tapos
Pinagpapawis ang kapag.
late na, tapos ang init pa inaantok ako.
Guys, tignan mo kasi yung suot niya, guys.
Akala ko kasi, diba pag gabi na, malamig.
Antipolo.
Dito, malamig.
Minsan malamig pag gabi sa labas.
Nabusog ka ba sa trip na to?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just finished eating Lola Nena's, and that is really our last na talaga for tonight, and we're ready to go home and like just rest for a bit from the food and go to sleep.
Guys, so ang masasabi ko lang, ang advice ko lang sa inyo, wag nyo gayahin na madami kaming kinain ng ganitong time. Hindi namin siya, okay. In general, guys, wag nyo kami gayahin. Advice ko lang, since napanood niyo yung vlog na to, Huwag kayo kakain ng busog. Ay! Naantok na! Wait lang! Ulit! Hala!
Your eyes, you look
Inaantok na ako nga kasi. Alright guys, so since napanood nyo tong vlog na to, advice ko lang is huwag kayong matutulog ng busog. So huwag kayong kumain ng madami if matutulog na kayo right after.
Tama.
So kailangan nyo parang rest muna.
According to my doctor. Gastro to. Ayan, allow yourself at least 3 hours before you sleep.
After eating, no?
Yeah, to be able to digest properly yung food.
Exactly what she said. That's right. So yeah, guys. So pag nagutom kayo, or if you're hungry right now, maybe it's like 12 a.m. there or whatever, or whenever it's late at night. Now you know where to go. These are like yung mga pinuntahan namin. Those are like 24 hours open, so anytime pa din yung puntahan. And yeah, those are just examples. I hope you try them out, or like, you know.
But at least ito guys, proven and tested. Kasi kanina, nasa Eastwood kami, may nakita akong restaurant. Hindi ko na siya papangalanan. Itago na lang natin sa... Itago na lang natin. Nakalagay 24 hours, pero closed.
Pero ito guys, yung totoo, yung mga pinuntahan namin 24 hours talaga, kaya alam niyo na. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you sa food.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sabi niya sa akin, target namin hanggang 2 lang. Hanggang 2 lang, nandito pa lang kami sa first.
Ito nga. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow kasi.
Nabudol na naman ako nini.
Ay.
Tomorrow. Ayan na siya. Ayan na po. Ayan na.